A while loop can sometimes cause infinite loop problems if it isn't written carefully. A while loop keeps running as long as its condition is true. If the condition never becomes false, then loop never stops. So we'll get an infinite loop. The first cause for infinite loop is when condition never changes. That will lead to infinite loop. Second cause is wrong condition. Here you can see condition is always true. That's why it leads to an infinite loop. Next cause is when you forgot to update the variable. That will lead to infinite loop. Next cause is using continue incorrectly. Because of continue, it skips the updater. So it will lead to an infinite loop. Next, how to avoid infinite loop problems. First one is make sure that loop condition can become false. We need an updater. Second one, use break as safety exit. Next, always update variable used in the condition. And use continue wisely. Okay, so this is about infinite loop problems with the while loop. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.